Family of absolute value functions, part 1 of 4, brought to you by themathprime.com. Y is equal to absolute value of x. This is the most general form of the absolute value function and the simplest form of the function is also often termed as parent function. Y is equal to m times the absolute value of x plus b plus c, provided m is not equal to 0. This is a more general form of the family of absolute value functions. Note that m cannot be equal to 0. If it was, then there would be no x term in the equation, and therefore there would be no function. Here is a graph of the parent function, and as you can see that the value of y is always positive. It's always above the x-axis, whereas to the left of the y-axis you've got negative values of x, and to the right of the y-axis you've got positive value of x. So x can take on either positive or negative values, but y always is positive. So this is the parent function, which is the same as the general function with the value of m set to 1 and the value of b and c set to 0. The point at which the graph changes direction is called the vertex, and its coordinates x and y is given by minus b over m for the x coordinate, and c is the coordinate of the y axis. So for the parent function, as c is equal to 0, your y coordinate is 0, and as b is equal to 0, the x coordinate is 0. That concludes this module brought to you by themathprime.com.